All right, this is a video for day 3, the 19th and the 26th, to be taught by Ryder and Michael. And again, even though it's taught by Ryder and Michael, in case someone gets sick or someone can't teach, it's important for you all to know what this is about. So you'll have the kids get the iPad that they used the day before, make sure that they have the same number, open up Scratch Junior, and then the review will see if they can get a character to hide and show. And so once they open up Scratch, they can start a new project if they want to add in a scene if they'd like. Doesn't really matter there. And now, can they get the character to hide and show? And so in the previous day, they learned that they need to add in a purple hide block in order for it to look like it's hiding and then showing up. They do have to put a little bit of time in between, and then they can show. So now once they click the flag, the character hides and shows. So that's the review. And so now the big things that they're going to learn are the broadcast and just a couple things with using the sprites. So what is the broadcast? Well, let me get back here. The broadcast is a way to send a message to another sprite. So let's go ahead and add in this cat here, and we're going to add in a flower. And it doesn't really matter. Let's go ahead and pick that. Okay, and we'll just put it right here. Now, what I'm going to do with the flower, and again, remind them that they got to make sure that they're on the right sprite for the code, is we're going to have the flower just hide right away. Okay, so when the flag clicked, the flower is gone. And so let's have the cat say something, and they can pick a different character. Let me show you a flower. Let me show you my flower. Now, you may want to ask the Rwandans how you actually say that in Kinyarwanda. And so you don't have to say, let me show you my flower. But anyways, here's what it is. And so how do you, or what's the broadcast for? The broadcast is going to send a message to any other sprite on the screen to only do something once they receive that broadcast. So the way you send a broadcast is you use this envelope icon, and you can change the envelope color so that you can have different broadcasts. We'll just keep it like that. And now I'm going to click on the tulip and say, when I receive this broadcast, I want to show up. So you'll notice that this doesn't attach. So when I receive that envelope and I open it up, I want to show up. Okay. And so now let's start let me show you my flower. And then voila, it shows up because the broadcast was sent. Okay. Now, once you're done showing them that, you can see if they want to try to make a broadcast work. But after you're done with that, you can show them how they can manipulate their character. So if you click on the tulip and then click this paint thing, they can click on the paint down here and change their tulips. Now, give them time to do this because they really love playing with the paint, and they can do the same for the cat. They can, like add different things. If they want to make a line here, they want to add color here. Okay. If they want to add a shape around the cat, and now you've got your own special cat there. So give them a chance to play with that and play with other sprites. Now is the point where you're going to have them make a new character, which is going to be themselves. So they're going to select a blank character. Oops. Let's see. I think you just click paint. Yep, there we go. So this is just a blank character, okay? So you're first going to tell them to just get a square, right? And make a stick figure. So let's make this stick figure, okay? Have them make the stick figure. And now what they're going to want to do is click this camera icon in the bottom right corner and click inside the box. And so you'll see, there we go. Oh, now if they get really close, they can take a picture of it. And now once they have that, now they have themselves in the story. So have them make a story with their characters, and they'll really love that part. So let them play with it. Finally, on the end of that day, make sure that they save their code. So this is day 3. And then add their name. And done. Again, if you have more time, you can have them go into Coding Safari. But again, take your time with this because it is quite a bit of quite a few things.